Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So this is a video of our hero Arnie Hammer and Citizen Vigilante. First of all, pre-compose your clip. If you don't know how to do it, I have a beginner's guide in the description down below. So first of all, we're gonna use Trickster Pro, add it to your clip. Then we change the image prep to contrast edge enhance and frame enter prep to motion weighted blend. Start at the beginning of your clip, click on clock and go to the end and do -100. As you can see, it doesn't change much. If you want to change your animation, you can shorten your clip by pressing Alt and shortening your clip. I'm gonna do it like this and you're gonna see the difference. See? Now the middle of animation is here, but first, before we continue, press U on your keyboard, select your keyframes and press F9. Then go to your graph editor and change the settings to this. So your animation is here now. You can change it again if you want to. Now add S blur mode curves, add it to your clip and change these settings: warp X, reflect, warp Y, reflect. Click on Z-dist, then go to the middle of your clip and change it to 6.5, or we're gonna do 7. Then go to the end of your clip and add 1 again. Now press U on your keyboard, select your keyframes, press F9 and change to this. Now we have this animation. You can also, instead of a zoom in, you can make a zoom out. So I'm gonna show you this too. Instead of, we're gonna add blur mode curves again. So add keyframe Z-dist 0.7. You can choose whatever you want. You can also 0.6 or whatever. Then add 1 in the middle and at the end also 0.7. Then press U on your keyboard, select your keyframes, press F9, change the graph editor. And don't forget to change the warp X to reflect and Y to reflect, and then you have your animation too. Instead of zooming in, it's zooming out. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from it. I see you in the next one. Bye.